Welcome to Simple Daily English. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my garden. Look at all this white. It is winter, and today is a very snowy day. The snow is deep. The snow is soft. The snow is perfect. I am waiting for my friend, Max. We have a big plan for today.
Lily, look out. Splat.
Oh, Max, you hit my jacket with a snowball.
I am sorry, Lily. But today is the perfect day for a snowball fight.
You are right, Max. But wait, I am not ready. I need my gloves.
You need more than gloves, Lily. It is very cold. It is -5 degrees.
I have my heavy coat. I have my warm hat. And I have my red scarf.
Good. Now we need a plan. Every snowball fight needs a fort.
A fort? You mean a small wall made of snow?
Exactly. A wall to hide behind. Like a castle.
That is a great idea. Let's build 2 walls, one for me and one for you.
Okay, we need to roll the snow to make it hard and strong.
Look, Max, I am making a very big snow block.
My wall is finished. It is very tall. You cannot hit me now.
We will see, Max. Now, we need the ammo.
Ammo? You mean the snowballs?
Yes. We need to make many snowballs and put them in a pile.
Okay, I am making 10 snowballs, round and small.
Don't make them too hard, Max. We want to have fun, not get hurt.
Don't worry, Lily. These are soft snowballs, like clouds.
Okay, my pile is ready. I have 12 snowballs.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, fire.
Missed me.
Oh, you are fast, Lily.
My turn.
Ha! You missed too. You need to aim better.
It is difficult to throw with these big gloves.
Try to hold the snowball in one hand and point with the other hand.
Okay, I am trying again. Ready?
I am ready. You cannot hit me.
Splat.
Oh, right on my hat. Good shot, Lily.
Yes, 1 point for Lily.
Okay. Now I'm serious. Prepare for a snowstorm.
Ah, one hit my arm, one hit my leg.
2 points for me. I am winning now.
Wait, Max, I have a new strategy.
A strategy? What is it?
I am going to move slowly to the left. You look at the wall, but I am not there.
That is stealth, Lily. You are like a snow ninja.
Shh. I am moving now.
Where are you, Lily? I see your red scarf behind the wall.
Hat is not me. That is just my scarf on a stick.
What? Oh no! A trick.
Throws a snowball from behind a tree. Splat.
You got me again. Right on my back.
2 points for me and 2 points for you, Max. It is a tie.
I am getting a little bit tired, and my hands are getting cold.
Me too. My nose is very red. I think it is time for a break.
A break is a good idea, but what about all this snow?
Let's stop fighting and build something together.
A snowman?
Yes, a giant snowman in the middle of the garden.
Okay. We need three big snowballs, one for the bottom, one for the middle, and one for the head.
I will roll the bottom one. It needs to be very, very big.
I will roll the middle one. It is heavy. Push, Max, push.
Okay, the bottom is ready. Now, help me lift the middle part.
1, 2, 3, lift.
Great. Now the small one for the head.
There. Our snowman is very tall. He is taller than me.
Now he needs a face. I have some coal for the eyes.
And I have a carrot for the nose.
I have some old buttons for his coat.
What about arms?
We can use these long sticks from the tree.
Perfect. Look at him. He is the king of the snow.
He looks very friendly. I think he likes our garden.
Lily, I am very cold now. My toes are like ice.
Me too. Let's go inside the house.
Can we have some hot chocolate?
Yes, with small marshmallows on top.
Mmm, hot chocolate is the best thing after a snow day.
We can sit by the fireplace and get warm.
And we can watch the snow fall from the window.
Max, it was a great day. Snowball fights are so much fun.
Yes, but building a snowman together is better. Teamwork is the best.
I agree. Friends, do you have snow in your country?
Do you like to play in the snow? Or do you prefer the sun?
Tell us in the comments. We want to know about your winter.
If you liked our snowy adventure, please like the video.
And subscribe to our channel for more stories with Lily and Max.
Every video helps you learn more English words and phrases.
Stay warm, everyone.
And have a wonderful winter.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.